In the dense forests of Southeast Asia, we find the mesmerizing python snake, one of the largest and most powerful snakes in the world. Python snakes are expert climbers and swimmers, capable of moving through various terrains with ease. These incredible creatures have an incredible ability to unhinge their jaws, allowing them to swallow prey much larger than their own heads. Another fascinating fact is that pythons shed their skin in one complete piece. This process helps them grow and remove any parasites or old skin. Female pythons are excellent parents. They lay eggs and wrap their bodies around them, providing warmth and protection until they hatch. Python slowly moving, revealing its colorful patterns. Lastly, python snakes display a stunning array of colors and patterns, making them not just remarkable predators but also visually captivating creatures. Subscribe for more updates.